Imagine a world where websites were nothing more than static pages, no user interactions, no dynamic content, and no personalization. In 1994, a programmer named Rasmus Lerdorf decided to change this. What started as a personal project to manage his own website soon evolved into something that would revolutionize the internet. This is the story of PHP, a language that transformed the way we experience the web. But PHP wasn't created to make history, it was born out of necessity, simplicity, and one man's desire to solve a problem. Little did he know, his small invention would become the foundation of millions of websites worldwide. So, how did PHP grow from a personal tool into the backbone of the web? Let's dive into its incredible journey. In the early 1990s, as the internet was just beginning to take shape, websites were static, simple, and lacked interactivity. But one man's idea was about to change everything. His name? Rasmus Lerdorf. In 1994, Rasmus Lerdorf created a simple set of tools to help manage his personal website. He called it Personal Home Page Tools or PHP. It wasn't meant to be revolutionary, it was just a solution to a personal problem. But little did he know, he was laying the foundation for one of the most popular programming languages in the world. By 1995, PHP had evolved into PHP-FE, adding the ability to process web forms and interact with databases. For the first time, websites could be dynamic, adapting to user input in real time. In 1997, PHP became open source, allowing developers from around the globe to contribute. With the help of Andy Gutmans and Zeev Sursky, PHP 3.0 was born, a major milestone that turned it into a full-fledged scripting language. It was no longer just a tool for personal use, it was now powering thousands of websites worldwide. PHP 4.0 introduced the Zend engine, making it faster and more efficient. Then came PHP 5.0, which added object-oriented programming, a turning point that brought PHP closer to modern software development practices. Over the years, frameworks like Laravel and Symfony emerged, making PHP development faster, more secure, and more scalable. These frameworks allowed developers to focus on building great applications without reinventing the wheel. Today, PHP powers over 77% of websites worldwide. Platforms like WordPress, Facebook, in its early days, and Wikipedia owe their success to PHP. Its simplicity, flexibility, and massive community make it a favorite choice for developers. With PHP 8.0, the language has taken a giant leap forward. Features like JIT compilation and improved performance ensure that PHP remains relevant in a rapidly changing technological landscape. What started as a simple tool to manage one man's website has grown into the backbone of the internet. PHP's story isn't just about technology, it's about innovation, community, and the endless possibilities of the web. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories.